Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for October. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my October goddess provisions box just arrived. Last month I did tell you guys I felt like it was a little bit more kiddish. The items that were inside, it was not my favorite box, but there were a few items that were really neat. So let's see what happens this month, if they're kind of back on track or what's going on. I don't know if some companies are having more trouble getting good items right now because of the current world situation, which is completely understandable. But last month just was like, it threw me off. So let's see what we have this time. So when you first open it up, of course, the card is still on the bottom of the box. Why would it be anywhere else? And that's what it looks like on the inside. So let me dump all this out so we can get to the card on the bottom. Okay, so here is the card. Very beautiful right there. All of the artistry on there. Very pretty. And I like the little butterfly that's even on there. Okay, so this month's mantra is, I shine brightest when I embrace my shadow. Alrighty, so that is the monthly mantra. This does go over all of the different items and it gives you the pricing. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off. I'll go ahead and let's go off. Let's see what this is. It is all wrapped up in this little thing. And let's see. Oh, it's a bag. Okay, so we have like a little canvas bag that's pretty on there. Look at the artistry. That is really pretty, and that's on both sides, so it's double-sided. This right here says Cosmic Collage Balance Tote Bag. Baggage isn't bad if it feeds your soul. This tote bag portrays the balance between light and dark. Fill it with things that nourish you, and remember, when you embrace all of yourself, you embody wisdom and grace. This is valued at $32, and you can use coupon code BALANCE to save 25% off at cosmiccollage.com. So Balance will save you 25% off if you wanted to check out that company. And there is the tote bag. So item number one, oh, there's there like a tag or something? I feel something in here. And then even on the inside of here, it does have both. So this must be a collab from Goddess Provisions and that company combined. And then on the back of this little guy, it says balance. There is a transmutable energy within yourself. There are two sides constantly pushing and pulling. The world will change you and the darkness will take over. Allow yourself to feel into the darkness. It is part of you. The world will bless you and you will feel the lightness. Don't take the lightness for granted. It cannot exist without the darkness. The grace of the balance of both is up to you. That's actually really neat. So I'm gonna put that right back down in the bag so I don't lose it for now. So let's keep on going. The next item is in here. It says Goddess Provisions Lotus Flower Shadow Caster. Ooh, it says tea light. So there's that. This right here is honor your shadow and celebrate its beauty. Place a tea light in the center of the shadow caster and witness the dancing shadow of a lotus flower. Meditate on the non-dualism of light and dark and how one does not exist without the other. $11. And this is from Goddess Provisions. They do sell things individually on their website as well. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so there's another little piece at the bottom. That's the lotus flower that you just attach right there. And there you go. So then when you put the tea light in here, the flicker and the flame will go through this and cast a shadow. I can't wait to burn that and see what it does. So that's neat. It does not come with a tea light candle, but I mean, I know I have tons of tea light candles lying around just in case there's a hurricane or something. So I will definitely stick a tea light in here and see this lotus flower dance around. But there's that. So there's item number 2. Now we have something in here. It says Zen Zenden Candles, specially made for Goddess Provisions. Okay, clean burning. This is Zen Zenden Candles Amethyst Cluster Candle. It says, in the true cluster gemstone fashion, this candle will radiate balance energy into the scarce space. Allow the iridescent shimmer and flicker flame to light your way through shadow work. Ooh, okay, you guys. So it does look like a cluster, very pretty, and you just light it, stick it on something, and you can light your way. And this right here is valued at $15, and you can use coupon code GODDESS2020 to save 20% off at zencandles.com. It looks a little different, like the picture looks like it would be more of a square, and this is more of like, I don't know, a triangle. But maybe they do have different shapes and sizes of them. I'm not quite sure. So there's that. Very pretty. Does not smell like anything. I don't even know if I would burn this because it just looks so pretty. I think I would just have it kind of sitting with my amethyst clusters and call it a day. I don't know, but that is very pretty. Okay, so next we have is something in here. It says water resistant, lasts 1 to 2 weeks, cruelty free, develops in 24 hours. Ink box. What is this? What is this? Nothing Wild Lotus Protector Tattoo by Ink Box. This temporary tattoo was designed by Nothing Wild Tattoo for times of growth and transformation. The lotus symbolizes rebirth and change, while the amethyst crystals are soothing and stress relieving. With skin-safe, cruelty-free ingredients, your tattoo will last 1 to 2 weeks. And you can use coupon InkBoxGoddess, all one word, INKBOXGODDESS, to save 25% off at inkbox.com. And this is valued at $16. So let's see if it'll tell us like what it looks like, or okay, so it's this little lotus right here with the, I guess like the crystal behind it. It looks like it's blue. I mean, blue's my favorite color. Here's a primer wipe, and then here's directions on how. Leave it on for 60 minutes. Remove everything. You have to leave it on for an hour. It's not like those ones when you were a kid and you just put on with a little bit of spray of water and then boom, it's done. This looks like it's going to be a little bit more involved, and it stays on for 1 to 2 weeks. So we'll see how that is. And again, that's valued at $16. I don't use temporary tattoos because I have so many real ones. It's like, why would I put a fake one on me when I have so many real ones? But I will see if maybe like my niece or something wants to put it on playing around or whatever. So we'll see. Especially they're not in school, so 1 to 2 weeks. Home's like doing virtual schooling will be okay if she has it on her. So there's that. Now we have is this right here. This says Coffee Crunch and Cardamom, and it says chocolate that loves you back. 73% slow roasted cocoa, plant-based, 1.8 ounce. And this says it's valued at $7. And you can use the code GODDESS15 to save 15% off at this company, which is ANTIDOTECHOCO.com. And you can use Goddess15 for 15% off if you wanted to check out this company. So there's that. So I can't wait to try this guy. So it's all like this, and they're all in like little squares. So I'll break off one. That is actually pretty darn tasty. I was not expecting it like that. I don't know what I was expecting, but that was actually pretty good. Okay, and then the last item, I know it seems like we normally don't get like an extra item. I don't know. But the last item is right in here to be the crystal, because we always get one crystal every month. I've received a few of these guys right here. This is the black Kyanite. I'm not sure how you say that. Kyanite. Shadow work can illuminate a tendency towards harmful attachments. Use this healing stone to cut cords and toxic ties with ease and tranquility. Valued at $4. There's also a digital bonus. It says, the gold in our shadows. Begin or deepen your shadow work Access guidance on how to prepare and transform an empowering ritual of shadow integration. And then it gives you the instructions on how to download it, and that is a $33 value. So that value is actually added to all of the items for the grand total box. When I do give you my total retail value, like right here, that will include that $33 value. So everything we got was that digital bonus. We have this $4 crystal. We have a little crystal cluster candle. I just wish this was a little bit bigger, especially since it's not a real crystal and it's a candle. I just feel like it should be bigger, but that's my own opinion. We have this guy here, which I can't wait to see what it does. I'm not fond of like the color of it, but I am excited to see what kind of shadows are going to come off of that when I'm burning the tea light candle. We have this chocolate bar, which is good. We have a temporary tattoo, which again, I'm gonna go back to, that's more kiddish because I'm an adult. I don't do temporary tattoos. And then we have a bag. So I feel like this month is a little bit better than last month's box, but still doesn't seem like it's quite Goddess Provisions quality. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, like I said, maybe things are just a little bit harder for them to get good quality items right now because of the current world situation. I'm not quite sure, but at least this one did seem like it's a little bit better, going back on track. I might need to look and see if there's just a completely different one and get something completely different to show you guys, because I have been doing this one, and then that other one I did for quite some time that I canceled recently. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys want me to do. Do you want me to keep doing this one, or do you want me to try to find a different spiritual box? Let me know down below so I know what to do. So that is everything, you guys. That is everything that came in this box. And if you want to know a little bit more about Goddess Provisions, I'll let you know a thing or two right about now. You get 5 to 7 full-size products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. So that's what I'm saying. It just seemed like we're missing an item, but we're on point with what it says the box highlights are. 5 to 7 full-size products per box. Great value, typically $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. Free shipping to the United States. They do ship internationally. Internationally would be $25 and Canadian would be $15. This box is $33 per month, or you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go to a whole year prepaid. But if you just want to do month to month, it's $33 free shipping to the United States. And you can pause or cancel at any time. Each box will contain the full-size products, including crystals, aromatherapy, spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, that kind of thing. And then this particular box, everything inside is always vegan and cruelty-free. So I do like that aspect for those that are all about vegan and cruelty-free. Everything in these boxes are always going to be vegan and cruelty-free. So I do like that aspect of this box. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.